Alright, so YM hasn't taken out any lows. ES got the relative equal low sweep down into this order block. NASDAQ also took out all the smooth lows. And now Russell has came down here and created relative equal lows, so maybe we still need one more leg, maybe. This is just the weekly. We have a weekly bearish fair value gap here. Alright, we got a weekly. Oh, I guess it's still being formed, that's fine. But either way. Cool. Daily. Also, just looking at these. Yeah, obviously similar thing, but we do have relative equal lows on the Dow. It's just the one thing that I don't like. So maybe still some more downside. Maybe, I don't know. This S&T is gone. We have no S&T with SPY and Qs. Same thing with ES and NASDAQ. IWM ended up taking out this low, and now it's tapping this order block, which is actually, I don't know why I never thought of that or noticed that, but these are relative equal lows here. So we just took those out. That might actually be deep enough. And now we're tapping into the order block that back tested the wick low there. And this is like that manipulation, super crazy manipulation leg that sent us up higher. So maybe that's it for Russell. That actually looks pretty good. Now we just need some sort of SMT on a smaller time frame to get long. I think shorts are still the play until this is still clean. I think we could still get a short and SPY. I mean, there's just so many levels here. Relative equal, old relative equal highs and lows there. And then, yeah, NASDAQ kind of the same thing right there. Right here. Level there, too. So, yeah, I could still see these coming down. It didn't take out all the smooth lows. Didn't take out this one, at least. But it did take out pretty large pool of liquidity and then made relative equal lows here. So this might still need to head lower, for sure. Not for sure, but yeah. And then, I don't know about the Russell though, it's just too clean. Maybe we are in a bear market. It's just crazy. But on IWM, it makes sense to me. And these charts have been working better than the futures. Alright, daily. No inefficiencies besides on Russell. Daily. Lots of stuff on these charts. Just let me take the indicators off. Yeah, nothing on the daily really. We opened up and went straight down and then got popped back up on everything. We actually ended up closing green on that. 4 hour, looks like a BPR there being formed. So yeah, I mean, kind of like the idea. Just a bunch of old stuff. We rebalance this whole range on the 4 hour. Rebalanced. Oh, this never really had one to rebalance. Yeah, Russell's really strong into here. YM actually got a little weak there. So yeah, I'd like to see a lower low here in the Dow. Let's see what that looks like. A low. What levels are here? Maybe we're gonna come for this. But I mean, we are bouncing off of this order block could make sense for us to just come at least take that out or hold it. This order block would make sense to hold still. And so far it is being respected here. We look at IM though. Yeah, you can say this is a fair value double order block here. It never got taken out, technically holding, but we may get taken out. It's not a real one since it's above, so maybe they're going to go down to this one here. I'm going to mark that just for fun. That would make sense. I can then soup that just a bit and bounce there still. Maybe, oh man, this is a quarterly. We have the quarterly fair value gap still. And did we just touch it? No, it was touched earlier. So yeah, maybe we're gonna come just back test that quarterly fair value gap. That lines up still with the daily. Yep. Interesting. Yeah, I like that idea. There's relative equal lows there too. So yeah, if this comes down to here, I like that. I like that quarterly fair value gap. Yeah, that makes a lot of sense to me. So yeah, that's a nice level there. We can soup that, dip into that, and get a nice SMT. Look how weak the Dow is now. Now I want to see Russell get that SMT, and that would really be a really easy long opportunity in Russell. So look for that for the long side. Other than that, it's like, yeah, this looks like it's already ready for a short. Just needs to come and soup that one more time. Nasdaq already got the soup. ES did. So we could already be getting a short to play out. Obviously, we did reject that. So maybe we need to like come up one more time, maybe an ES tomorrow, or maybe into this Trump thing that's about to happen here right now. Let me see. Beginning shortly. Yeah. So we got the Trump thing about to happen, so there may actually even be a trade here. But yeah, it looks like there could be a short already in play, or we'll see. Other than that, yeah, nice area of interest there on the Dow still up at those relative equal highs. We have relative equal highs here too on the PM session. And then still here on ES, though it was taken out, it just wasn't that deep, so it could easily get souped again. And then Nasdaq did take it out, so yeah, I think if we come up here, take this out, that'd be a really easy short, but it might already be happening. There's nothing inside of here besides this little high. Is that Asia range? Okay. Interesting. So yeah, I wouldn't trust longing anything here, but I do think I do need to look for shorts. As for the flows, bullish flow, though puts did come up into the end of the day to the rally, and they never sold them off into the dump into PM. So, and they did start selling calls there. So long term still looks pretty bullish. Accumulation for accumulation longs. Dow Jones and puts and calls were riding up. Calls really ramped up. Weird. And then Russell is really bullish as usual. And then Qs were super bullish. So looks like nothing crazy on the expiries. Let's see. Let's just check everything. SPY. March 21st again, like Russell. I'd still expect Qs to be weak if we're going to get that rotation into Russell. Russell, insane premiums, like 50 million in extra premiums and longs for the 21st. And Dow Jones, I bet it'd be the same. Yep. Except we also have really bullish premiums for yesterday. No, the 7th. Oh, these are weeklies. Yeah, we have bullish premiums for the end of this week and for the 21st. So yeah, looks pretty good. I like the long idea, and yeah, Russell looks pretty good if we get along. And I would have an easy target here at these highs, super easy. And that lines up with the fair value gap too. Like that's the easiest target ever. And then news, we have non-farm payroll, employment change, and then PMI tomorrow. And one's a little bit earlier than normal, so that looks really good. All right, yeah. So yeah, shorts could totally be in play. We got S&T with NASDAQ taking out those highs, so I think that may already be playing out. We had the 6 p.m. whatever time frame open, and then we took out the close high, and then now we're rejecting. So I think this could easily just deliver down, and then maybe we get along tomorrow or tonight as the Trump speaks. So net flows and Tide are all right. So yeah, I think tomorrow might be the reversal day where we actually go up, but yeah, still looking for shorts until we get clear S&T. On Russell. Russell's the only one that makes sense to me. We'd have to get a really clear S&T again with ES and NASDAQ or something like that. I don't really know what else to put here.
Speaker, the President of the United States.
All right.